Hello, this is Abhinandan. Today is 30th October 2021. I'm there in Dubai. This is a view which you're seeing at the backdrop over there. There's a real view of Dubai from my Airbnb apartment. Okay, this is at the plaza. That's the Radisson Blue over there. This is just connected over there at the basement with the plaza. This is the plaza apartment. I'm at the seventh floor over here, and at the backdrop you can see the creek river, the creek. Okay, this is that side is the Burdubai, and this side is a Dera. So I'm just going to show directly over here and give you a talk and explanation as I am showing you over here. So if at all you're watching this video, probably you must have been connected on WhatsApp, either through an advertisement which have responded to my newspaper advertisement, or in any WhatsApp group, or in any WhatsApp group which you may be there, or we might have met either in Dubai or in India or in USA, and you may be in WhatsApp. My name is Abhinandan. I am from Bangalore. Right now in Dubai, I came here on October 10th, 2021. I'll be here till November 7th, which is planned November 7th, 2021. But I may extend also. I may plan to extend for another 1 month to 2 months time, because from last 2 days, that is October 20th and 29th, I went for the Dubai Expo, though I've taken a seasonal 6 months pass. But I never started exploring it. But yesterday, 2 days, I've gone to more than 20 countries pavilion, and I want to visit all the 200 country pavilion. But the reason what I'm talking to you in this video is, if at all you are only depending on one source of income, many people are not aware about it, but one source of income is financially suicidal. Many this pandemic has taught many people a lesson, wherein they were depending on a job, and they lost their job, or their businesses was lost. But here's an opportunity for you. Apart from your dead end limited income job, you will have an opportunity. You will have an opportunity to create alternative, additional, passive, global income. If at all you are very keen, apart from your dead end job or a burdensome business, that means you are having one business, and a business is affecting your health, and a business which is not making you to enjoy your life or travel the world, you have to know very smartly and conveniently and how using a smartphone or a laptop with internet connection, you can create alternative, additional, passive income globally. You will see the proof when you come on the paid Zoom meeting. On a paid Zoom meeting, after you pay 201 rupees or $3 or 10 dirhams, after you have paid that, after getting the free intro videos, you can see, when you watch the 2 hours of paid video, after that, when you come on a Zoom, you will see in the last 9-10 months time, I made more than $90,000 in digital asset. I'm here in Dubai, apart from attending the Dubai Expo, to study in other two businesses, another two global businesses to create digital asset globally. So this is a very, very powerful business which you can earn from the comfort of your house, and millions of people are a part of it. In India, more than 15 million people. In India, more than 15 million people are a part of this particular industry. And millions of people have been benefited. Maybe from my mobile recording, it may not be a very clear. But standing from here, it is very panoramic. It's very beautiful. That side is Burdubai. There's a Shiva temple also. I've never gone this time, but probably tomorrow I will go. And this side is Dera, and I'm there at the Radisson Blue. This is the Radisson Blue building over there. What you're seeing at that end, somewhere you can see the pink color over there. That is the frame, and the tall one you can see over there somewhere is the Burj Khalifa. So you can have a view of the frame, the Dubai frame, and also the Burj Khalifa and a lot of other tall buildings. It's a very beautiful panoramic view, and I'm very lucky to get this Airbnb in this the plaza, the plaza apartment, which is attached to the Radisson Blue. Anyhow, If at all you have a passion to travel the world and earn very smartly and conveniently from the comfort of a laptop or anytime, anywhere in the world, speak to Abhinandan, whom you saw in the beginning of the video 4 or 5 times. Interact with him. And the prerequisite is you should spend at least 2 hours to 3 hours to study the business. I am studying it from last 15 days. Okay, to make a good decision. I go into the depth of the business. But you don't have to. You have to study only for 2 hours or 3 hours time. And the rest I will explain to you. So you will be able to get in the business videos only after you have paid the 201 rupees or 10 dirhams or $3 either to my PayPal if you are outside India, or if you are from India you can pay through my Google Pay, Phone Pay, Net Pay, or if you are from Dubai you can pay for my Virgin Mobile. Okay, now having explained so much to you, let me tell you this. You should have a desire. If you have a desire to create alternative, additional, passive global income, starting with at least first fees will be 201 rupees after you get the 4 free videos. Free videos are like intro videos. They only show who's Abhinandan and what is my background. I'm a business mentor and a trainer. Have done seminar for the last 25 years. In India in more than 29 states for more than 2 lakh people. I am the first business mentor. I am the first business presenter. Again I am repeating. I am the first business presenter. I am the first business mentor to go from India on my own expenses to USA from the last 10 years and conducting seminars over there. In many states in USA, that is in New York, New Jersey, Dallas, Las Vegas, San Jose, Los Angeles, and other cities. So you can watch some of my USA videos, and I've been to Japan and Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, China. But Dubai is a country or emirate wherein you meet people from 200 countries. You meet all kinds of people over here. It's in a melting pot, and the best time to visit Dubai is from October end till March. So I am there at this time right now, and I'm exploring the expo. And so you have to contact me on the number coming on the screen over here. Yeah, there will be 2 numbers, one my India number, my Jio number, and another one will be my Dubai number. If you don't get me on a call, you have to WhatsApp me your full name, your email ID, your profession, your city, and your age. I'll repeat once again. You have to WhatsApp me your full name, your email ID, your profession, and your city and your age. Once you WhatsApp me, I'll send you free details to you, and then you can decide whether you want to pay 201 rupees or 10 dirhams or $3 as a training and a mentoring fee. Then I know you are committed, and the business starts with minimum 7,500 rupees, or that is $100, and another business starts with 100 euros. I'm having 2 platforms. I'll be taking 2 platforms. One platform starts with $100, that is 7.5. See, I'm telling everything now only. Because later I do not want you to say, because many people won't have the business mentality. They'll have that employee mentality, slave mentality, wage slave mentality. They want to work for others. In Dubai, I see lakhs of people from India looking for a job from last 1 month, 2 months, 3 months time. I know many of my known people's friends who struggled here for 3 months time looking for a job came back to India. And today what was earlier paid 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 dirhams, they are today paying 2,000 to 3,000 dirhams. What earlier they were paying 1,20,000 to 1,40,000 rupees salaries. For the same job today they are paying 30,000 to 40,000 rupees. So it is always good to be an entrepreneur, and within 1 or 2 months time you can keep earning somewhere from
$2,000 to $5,000 or earning somewhere from 1 lakh rupees to even 2 lakh to 3 lakh rupees or 5 lakh rupees per month and later per week, or in dirhams or more than 20,000 dirhams to even 50,000 dirhams after 1 or 2 or 3 months of consistent effort. So nothing is easy. So contact me on the number coming on the screen over here. I was using my mobile to do the recording. Watch my other videos, and I will be sharing more details to you. And then you can speak to me 2 or 3 times on the number coming on the screen over here, and then you can decide to pay 201 rupees or 10 dirhams or $3 as a training and a mentoring fees. Watch another 3 or 4 videos of mine. This was taken at night time on 30th October 2021. Maybe it's now night 10 p.m. Today I did not go to the Dubai Expo. I have some work related with my business, so I was at the place only, but took a walk to Dera. And that's an amazing thing being over here. You can experience meeting people from around the world and also become financially successful if you have the business mentality, not job mentality, not wage slave mentality. But if you have a business mentality and if you are ready to start a business with at least 7,500 rupees, that is $100, or above that amount, or 100 euros. Thank you very much. This is Abhinandan.